Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Roblox and heading straight to Settings, then Security. Select Add Passkey to begin. Once done, choose the device you'll register. A phone's built-in passkey or a hardware security key both work. Make sure your browser or device supports WebAuthn. If not, switch to Chrome, Edge, or Safari. You're doing this now to replace passwords with a stronger, phishing-resistant sign-in method, so keep the registering device unlocked and nearby. You'll see a prompt to create and name the passkey. Accept it and then confirm on your device with fingerprint, face, or PIN. Once you approve, the device generates a cryptographic credential that Roblox stores as your passkey. That's why biometrics matter. They unlock the key locally. After creation, perform an immediate test sign-in. Sign out, pick Use Passkey, and complete the biometric unlock. This verifies the link and prevents being locked out later. Finish by adding a backup passkey or a linked authenticator to avoid single-point failure. Redundancy prevents lockout if your primary device is lost. If you can't sign in, make sure the device's OS and browser are updated, clear cache, and try again. Switching to another registered device often fixes issues. Only contact Roblox support for account recovery when all passkeys are gone, and be ready to prove account ownership to restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.